I gotta be still because they are so skittish. They're still babies, about 3 to 4 inches. Red belly piranhas. Now, I want to do a live feeding of some type of animal, but I don't have enough people telling me what should I feed them. I did a poll and it was a tie between a frog and a mouse. So I might just do another poll. I need you guys that's subscribed to make sure your notification bell is on so I can make sure you guys get to see the live feeding. Well, not me. You got to make sure you can see the live feeding. With your notification bell not on, you will not know when I post it. And it's no telling if YouTube is going to flag it and take it down after so many watches. So make sure you guys like, share, follow, all that good stuff.